Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your microphone and environment so your audio is clean. Once your mic shows stable levels, open PowerPoint and choose Slideshow, then record Slideshow. Make sure narrations and laser pointer are selected. Keep slide and animation timings enabled so your narration syncs to movement. Speak a quick test line and listen back. Adjust gain until peaks sit around -6 to -12 decibels. Now you're ready to record the first slide, press record, and start speaking clearly. As you record, treat each slide like a mini segment. Speak in short takes and pause briefly to breathe, 1 to 2 seconds between sentences, so edits feel natural. Advance slides manually as you finish each point. That locks the timing to your narration. If an animation needs exact timing, narrate while triggering it so voice and motion align. Once done with a pass, preview the slideshow and note misalignments. If one slide needs redo, clear its recorded timings and re-record only that slide. Finish by saving and exporting depending on your goal. Keep the PPTX to retain editable timings, or export as MP4 to share a fixed video with embedded audio. Use compressed media to reduce large files while preserving quality. If audio disappears for viewers, make sure the audio icons remain on slides and check slideshow settings. Enable play across slides only for background tracks. One key troubleshooting tip: if recordings are absent, reopen the original file and confirm recorded timings exist. Re-record the affected slides if necessary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.